And my friends, in this video, we will be discussing advertising. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you will need to advertise so that you can make money. And advertising is big business, big business. A lot of big firms spend many thousands of dollars and pounds and zen and whatever it may be to advertise their programs. Now, we are in a unique position as affiliate marketers because we have targeted advertising, I should say. Okay, now what is that? We promote to other affiliate marketers. Now, let's just say that you had a website and it was all about camping. I have one. Okay, it's a waste of time me trying to promote ideas to people that go fishing or that play tennis. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it needs to be targeted. I would need, in my case, to promote that website of mine, my camping website, to people that go camping. Now, there are many different types of camping. There's caravan or trailer camping. There's backpacking. There is wild camping. There is family camping. There's also, so we have a vast range that we could promote to. So we're not just stuck promoting to one type of camper. And it's the same with our affiliate business, okay? Now, we have what we call targeted advertising programs. We have things like traffic exchanges that we promote to, because all the people that are members of those particular programs are interested in affiliate marketing. We also have Safe Lists, and there are one or two others as well. Okay, so that is the important thing. You need now that you've set up your websites, let's have a look at this one. Okay, this is my programs page. This here is my home page. This one is a splash page. I now need to promote this to people that are interested in affiliate marketing. So I will not be promoting to fishermen, people that play golf, tennis, and things like that. So we now need to focus our attention. Once we've built the splash pages, the capture pages, your programs page, your 10-banner splash pages, they now need to be promoted. And that is the key to your success. Advertise, advertise, advertise. There is no way of getting away from it. Things will not just happen. Okay, so this theme is all about advertising, and we are now going to teach you the different types of advertising programs, traffic exchanges, Safe Lists, and a few others. Okay, so thanks for listening to this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that way, when I do a video with some more ideas, new ideas, or basic teaching of advertising, you will get a notification. So click that subscribe button and also hit that bell. And when you hit that bell, click all, and you will get a notification of any emails that I add, whether it's for Buildabizonline in general, advertising, the traffic exchange, teaching, tricks, tips, all those sort of things. You will get a notification if you subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.